Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Grammarly Premium easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Grammarly Premium, start by opening your web browser. Visit the official Grammarly website at www.grammarly.com. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. Fill in your details, or use Google or Facebook to sign up quickly. After creating your account, log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the pricing section located in the top menu. Review the options available for Grammarly Premium. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You'll be directed to a payment page. Enter your payment information, including your credit card details. Make sure to check the billing cycle you prefer, whether monthly or yearly. Look for any promotional codes if you have one, and apply it before finalizing the payment. Review the summary of your purchase to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, click on the Pay button to complete your transaction. After payment, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your Grammarly Premium subscription. Return to your Grammarly dashboard to start using the premium features right away. Explore the advanced suggestions and additional writing insights available to you. If you encounter any issues during activation, refer to Grammarly's Help Center for assistance. Enjoy an enhanced writing experience with Grammarly Premium. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.